Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a zip file on Windows 11. So, let's get started. First, open File Explorer on your Windows 11 computer. Now, locate the file or folder that you want to compress into a zip file. Once you find it, right-click on the file or folder. A menu will appear on your screen. From here, click on Compress to Zip File. Windows will instantly create a new zip file in the same location. Now, you can type a new name for your zip file and press Enter to save it. Your file is now compressed into a zip file. You can use this zip file to save storage space, organize multiple files, or easily share files through email or other platforms. If you want to add multiple files, simply select all the files first, then right-click and choose Compress to Zip File. This will combine everything into one zip folder. And that's it. That's how you can easily make zip files on Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.